Listen up! Are you struggling with hyperthyroidism and want to know what causes it? Then this video is the right place for you. Hyperthyroidism is caused by an overproduction of thyroid hormones, and there are several possible causes. Graves' disease. In Graves' disease, there are antibodies in the blood that turn on the thyroid and cause it to grow to produce too many hormones. We can have multinodular goiter, where there are one or more lumps in the thyroid that may gradually grow and be active with lots of thyroid hormone in the blood is greater than normal. You could have a tumor on the thyroid gland, which is a cancerous tumor that can also cause the thyroid to produce excess hormones. Taking too much iodine in the form of supplements or certain medications can also cause the thyroid to produce too much hormone. It's important to understand the underlying cause of your hyperthyroidism to get on the most effective treatment. Talk to your doctor. Do not ignore your thyroid health. We will soon be back with another video like this one.
Till then, do like and share this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.